Hey, good morning, Tonya. Citron here again from Genesis of Hoover in Hoover, Alabama. Again, you showed interest in the G70 and the G90. Here's your G90 video. I got the 2019 Genesis G90 puller right behind me. Let's dive in. So in the front, we got the beautiful chromed out cascading Genesis grille with the wraparound LED headlights and the LED daytime running lights. Very sporty, premium alloy wheels with the nitrogen filled tires. We got the turn signal mirror, blind spot protection, remote entry, sunroof. This one here is the Victoria black exterior. On the inside, we got the premium black leather interior. This is the ultimate package. So the thing is loaded with the entertainment system in the second row, heated and cooled first and second row, power seats first and second row, built-in navigation, heads-up display, a ton of safety features. Lane keep assist, lane departure warning, backup camera, forward collision avoidance, rear cross traffic alerts, you name it. But the best part about our vehicle are going to be the warranties once again. 5-year, 60,000 mile new car warranty, 20-year, 200,000 mile powertrain warranty, and 3 years, 36,000 miles of complimentary Genesis valet service. Give me a call. I'm your point of contact. Again, my name is Citron. I'm here at Genesis of Hoover. My cell phone is area code 703-505-1598. Come on down. We'd love to work with you. Here at Genesis of Hoover, you're going to love the way you're treated.